I think a good question to be answered about the law enforcement center is that the right location? Given the fact that the population in Dallas County is increasing more so on the east side, that is where the demand is really coming from as it pertains to jail bed count and sheriff's activities. So I think having it on the east side of the river at that location is a good thing. It also gets us up out of a concern about the river and the flooding and so forth, that in its present locations there are times when the jail facility is cut off from the rest of the county due to the Raccoon River flooding. So we'll be up out of that where we don't have to worry about that anymore. And also in that facility then will be the emergency management service and dispatch, so that we do not have to worry about shutdowns with flooding and that activity there as well. So we'll have access to the east part of the county utilizing Highway 6. We will have access to the north part of the county if the river were to flood via R16 up through Dallas Center and across into the Perry area from there. So that location does seem to be, will be a market improvement from where we're at now in the town square. As we've seen by the recent rainfalls in the last couple months, flooding is a potential problem with its present location in the downtown Adel area. So the new site gives us the opportunity to have the facilities located up out of the floodplain area. We will have easy access to all parts of the county from that location. Highway 6 gives us access to the eastern part of the county where the population growth is the most significant. R16 gives us access to the north part of the county as we go through up Dallas Center, and then R16 also can take us through the south part of the county. We would still continue to use Highway 6 heading west into Adel, but given the situation, we would be able to make a decision whether they need to go that way or not. The emergency management service will be located in the new building, and that also includes dispatch, so we don't have to worry about the loss of operations if the river were to flood, as it does in its present location. In fact, the dispatch will be actually relocated out of the basement of one of the buildings on the town square and up to a on-grade level, which will then assure us that we don't have the same concerns that we have in the present location. The population growth has been tremendous in the eastern part of the county, and that is the area that's really providing the most pressure on our jail facility needs. And so that's an additional benefit of having it on the east side of Adel.